Hi guys, it's your girl Maria, Chica de la Isla. Hope you're all doing well. Real quickly tonight, I'm coming on here just to let you all know that I'm pranking Babe. He's actually in the shower right now as we speak. So to all you new subscribers, thanks for subscribing. Tonight's a night that he gets pranked. I am going to prank his ass like how he pranked me the other day when he was gangstering his swaggy pants. Anyways guys, I gotta go, but wish me on the best. Team Maria.
Hey baby.
Hey babe. Good, how was your shower?
Good.
Yeah. Cool.
What are you doing with it?
I'm going out.
Where is that?
I'm going out.
You're joking, right?
Yep.
Babe, you're joking.
No babe, I'm going out. I'm sick and tired of staying home and I need a night out, you know, and you're here looking after Ireland, so I thought why not? Go have a night out. Nothing wrong with that, is there?
You sick, babe?
What do you mean am I sick?
What do you mean night out, babe?
What do you mean?
So you just have a night out without even telling me about this?
Yeah, pretty much. I'm telling you now. What's wrong with me telling you now? That's nice.
Yeah, joke.
Nope. I'm going out, babe. Come on.
Going where? Where?
Just down the bar, down the road there. There's a bar there. So you go straight ahead and there's a bar on your right hand side. It's like kind of made out of wood. It's a really nice bar actually. Never been there before. You never took me there, but I'm going there tonight.
Yeah. Babe.
Hmm.
Yeah, try to make a joke or something?
Nope. Why would I joke? What's wrong with me going out, babe? Like honestly, I'm free.
No, I'm not saying that we can't
I'm
go
not
out,
a
babe.
married woman yet. We're not married. Not yet.
Babe, I'm not saying that we can't go out, babe. But we're freaking stuck in quarantine, babe.
Well, quarantine's done. By my clock, it's done now. Like, I'm over
By
quarantine.
your clock.
Yeah, I'm done. Who's gonna come and get me? Soldier's gonna come and get me?
So
Hello?
what? So what? In the middle of the night, you're just getting ready to just go out?
Yeah.
So you wait until I got into the shower, right? You wait until I got into the shower for you to get ready to go out, right? So you couldn't tell me this before?
Well, it was like a last minute decision really, because I actually, really
You have plans with somebody?
no, I don't have plans with anyone.
Yeah,
Maybe
try
I'll
them
make
if you're
friends
fool
over
down.
there. Maybe I'll make friends there, you know.
Yeah, try them if you're fool
Hang
down.
out and stuff. Like, babe, come on. You know me better than that. You know I'm not gonna do anything stupid or silly. Just a fun little drink out at the bar and that's it. Listen to music. Big deal. What's the big deal, babe?
Do your thing, man.
What?
Do your thing, man.
Do you think? Do you
Your
think?
life, you know, man, you know, I can't stop you, you know.
Thank you. That's
Yeah.
what I wanted to hear.
Your life.
My life. I'm human. I'm human. I'm sure you're going to go out with the boys and have a good time and whatever.
No, but the thing is, you have to tell me, say, you just go behind the back. Wait till me in the shower before you get ready. Right? You know, make me know, say, yo, you go somewhere or
Well, do
something.
you want to come with me? Who's going to look after Ireland then?
So you just go out with some random or go meet up with somebody random and then something happen to you and you hear say me. You hear say me cause all of this, right?
But how am I going
Cause
to
what?
meet up
You,
with somebody?
remember, you
Like-
come to Jamaica to see me, right?
Mhm.
So if something happened to you out there, who you think them gonna blame? Huh?
Who's going to blame? No one's going to blame nobody. Just hang on a sec. You're making me mess up my makeup regime.
I want thing me I tell you, you know, come here, come this me, you know. You hear me I tell you?
Mm-hmm.
Just remember, say if you leave tonight, You know, come back and see me island and that me I tell you. Mark my words, so hear that?
Wow.
You think I'm joking?
Really, baby, you're gonna do that to me?
You think me a joke?
You can't just take Ireland away from me, you know
No,
that, right?
go on where I go. Go on.
You can't take Ireland
No,
away.
go on where I go. Go on where I go. In a business, go on where I go. Since it's not the lifestyle you want. You see me, go on where I go.
It's not the lifestyle.
You love the
I want.
party lifestyle and everything, go on where I go. If that you're into, go on. You see me? You
I'm
free?
not into that. I'm just going out tonight, so you
Yo.
better just respect that.
We're a family right now. So
Yeah,
you just
but
get
it's
up and
okay
just...
to go out. Oh my gosh, there's nothing wrong. It's not like I'm going out to hook up with anyone or meet somebody like you think I am.
So what, we can't go out as a family? Eh?
What, go to a bar? Just because I want to have one drink, one cocktail, it doesn't mean that, you know what I mean? Well, if you have someone to look after Ireland, then hey,
Do your
let's
thing.
go.
So do your thing, man.
Let's go together.
Do your thing.
Come on.
Go on where I go. Go on where I go.
Well, I'm going. Can I get a kiss before I go?
Go on where I go.
Can I get a kiss?
You hear me I tell you? Go on
Can
where I
you
go.
kiss? Come on.
Listen to me.
Oh,
Don't let me get the root, you hear me I tell you?
alright. Do I look nice though? Check me out.
Go on where I go. You must have joke or something, you know?
I'm not joking. Anyways,
You can never be serious, so that me I tell you.
I'm going, get my purse. Oh shit. Bye babe.
Go on where I go.
Love you. Bye Island, I love you too. Bye for the last time, stress head.
Okay, guys, so I'm going to wait out here for him for a minute and just see how he reacts, if he reacts any type of way. So, anyways, guys, let's hope, fingers crossed. When he comes out the door, I'm going to be like, hi, you got pranked. It's stressful, guys. Ah, you got pranked.
Yo.
You got pranked.
I'm good, man.
You got pranked, babe. You think I'm that crazy? He thinks I'm that crazy, guys. I'm just gonna up and leave him. I'll never do that to you, my love.
Stop it foolishness, babe.
Come here now. You can give me a kiss. I know you're angry at me. Oh, now you got red lipstick, guys. Look. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe, comment, like, share, all of the above. This guy has just been pranked. Look at him. What do you say?
No problem.
What you say? What you say? What you say? What you say? I think I stuffed up my makeup. I don't even know. Let's have a look. What did I do? Did I do good? Well, hey guys, I did alright. Not too bad. Yeah, that's what's up. He got pranked. Now, you know, I'm going to take all this makeup off my face.
Go on where I go, man.
Strip me down.
Go on on the road where I go, man. Go on.
What do you mean? You want me to go? No, you don't want me to go. He doesn't want me to go, guys. And I'll never do that to you. That's crazy. That's childishness. As he says, that's foolishness. That's pure foolishness. Oh, guys, I think I got him this time. I think he was really angry. Anyways, it is what it is. Baby,
Alright.
what are you going to say to your viewers, subscribers, the people them?
Nah, I'm not going to say no.
Why?
I'm not going to say.
You hurt? You cut?
Go on now, man.
Alright guys, I'm gonna leave you to it. You don't know, it's your girl Maria, Chica de la Isla. This is the island family. This is the island family. He got pranked. Team Maria all the way. Your swaggy pants prank.
Wow.
I'm not gonna prank go on top of this one. Alright.
Wow.
Bye guys.